Assalamu alaikum once again. Actually, today this is English practice class and we have two students and we have to talk with them. Actually, I have decided that there must be in class where offline students are here with me and you can see that how they are fluent and how they are speaking and you can also will come to know that how long they have been studying, that's how is their confidence and how they can speak. When you see and definitely you will have a lot of ideas. It is very important that you must see that how I am practicing with two students. So first of all, I would like to call Murza. Please come here, Murza. Yeah, here, you can sit here. Murza, in which class do you study?
I study in metric class.
You study in metric class. Okay. How long you have been part of this academy?
Sir, since 2019, sir.
Okay, 2019. What do you think about in this institute and also the YouTube channels we have started?
Sir, I have been learning at this academy since years. And I have seen the atmosphere of this academy and also the students who are senior and also junior, they are very active and they are fluent in this language and they try to make the most use of this academy and also their English practice. I have seen here that there is atmosphere of speaking, each and everything is provided by the teachers regarding to education and regarding to notes.
Okay. And I want to ask you one question that what do you think in your future? Definitely everyone has his future plan, goal. So do you have any sort of goal?
Sir, before I was minded, I have so many goals to achieve. Then the one people are saying that there must be the list of goals. So before I had the list of goals, but that since 1 year I have decided that there is only one goal which I have to achieve. That is I have to be English teacher, sir. And this is also my future goal. This I will open a new big institute in a metropolitan city, sir.
Okay, what is your message? Those students, they are online and they are also watching our videos on YouTube. What is your message for them?
So this is a channel that it is regarding to English. But I advise everybody that whosoever is watching our channel that he must be touched with that study and if he wants to that achieve his goal and also he wants to learn language, then he must to practice and he must be touched with the videos and with that the practice of English each and every day. If they are keeping on the practice, they will learn soon. So.
Okay, what do you think about this language help the student to build their career?
Sir, definitely, sir, no doubt about it, sir. I had seen that before in that years. This language is helping the people to achieve their goals. This language is helping the people to that build up their life, that living such a luxury life, and also it helps everybody whosoever is giving value to this language.
That's a great answer. I'm 100% agree with you actually that this language help anyone to build their career. It's not a language of education, it's language of politics, scientist, businessman, teacher, anyone has this language. Okay, thank you very much, Mursa.
It doesn't matter, sir. It's my duty to time to channel, sir. Okay. Thank you.
He was Mursa and we heard and I asked him a few questions and he replied very well. Now we have another student, Jawad Lasha. Let's talk to him. How are you, Jawad?
Alhamdulillah, sir, I am Shiksha with the grace of Almighty Allah.
Okay. May I know that in which class you are?
Alhamdulillah, sir, I am in metric class.
Okay. What do you think about this academy and also YouTube channels we have started recently?
Sir, this academy is very adorable academy in our city because we are getting various things in this academy. As far as I am concerned that you are taking on daily basis, you are taking class on daily basis, composition class and speaking class. There are many weak students and also strong students. There are various students, they are junior and various students are senior. Because if senior students tell or speak something, then definitely junior students listen and they build up their confidence.
What is your message for those students they are watching this YouTube channel?
Sir, this is a message for those students and those persons who are watching YouTube channel that this is the best and great, what can I say, that achievement for themselves that they are seeing the videos and they are getting numerous benefits.
Well done. Okay, that is a short conversations we had the two students. If anyone who wants to come and talk here in front of the camera and YouTube, that if you want to talk that you must come. And otherwise, we have great thoughts with both two students. Actually, if I talk about this language, this is a language. Without this language, no one achieve his goal, and everybody first learn this language. You have to make up your mind. Without this language, I think that you will never get anything that desire which you have in your life. Being English teacher, I have been teaching this language for a long time, so that's why I suggest all my students. Actually, that's I have given a demo. Still, we have not started a class, composition class. Inshallah, if you will keep watching this channel, that you can learn a lot of things you never ever expected before. I know that according to my experience that I enable a lot of students they can speak and they have achieved their goal in their life. I hope that if you will part of this channel, inshallah, you will learn those things which will help you to get through any sort of test. I will tell you those things totally different, and that things will help you a lot to get through any sort of test. Inshallah, and that's a short video, and we have discussed today two brilliant students. Clap for them. And don't forget to subscribe and share my video. And I have seen that a lot of students they are watching my video but they are not subscribers. So I assure you that if you will keep watching this channel, that you have a lot of knowledge you have never thought it before. Thank you very much.